Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Negril and we're going to give you an update on probably the most significant infrastructure project for Negril, the construction of the Negril International Airport. Now Negril is probably the most popular place or town in Jamaica. It's known all over the world. The 7 Miles Beach is ranked among the top 10 beaches in the world. And Negril has a lot of hotels, but the infrastructure in Negril needs improvement. Now, when tourists come into Jamaica, they go to three places primarily: Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, and Negril. But of all three locations, Negril is the most popular. But one of the drawbacks to going to Negril is to get there from the Sangster International Airport. So tourists fly into the Sangster International Airport, the largest and busiest airport in Jamaica. And then they have to take a drive or a journey from Montego Bay to Negril. Now, this journey can take up to 2-3 hours because of traffic. The road is built along the coast and it goes through the coastal towns, and these towns are old, the infrastructure is old, so you find, like Lucy, to go through the town can take up to an hour just because of traffic. So to alleviate this, the government proposed to build the Negril International Airport in Little London, Negril. They had wanted to build it at the site of the Negril Aerodrome, but the space available, because Negril is a developed area and because of the environmental impact, they wouldn't be able to build the runway long enough to accommodate a 737. And they made that mistake with the Ian Fleming International Airport, and it has come back. It has slowed down the progress of that airport. So they decided to go to Little London, which is about 15 minutes from the Negril town centre where we are now. This is the Norman Manley Boulevard, the main strip in Montego Bay. In Negril. And at the spot they chose in Little London, they can expand the airport any size they want. It could become the largest airport in Jamaica one day. But they're going to start to build an airport that can accommodate 1 million passengers a year, which is moderate because the Norman Manley International Airport can do what? About 2 to 3 million a year. That's what they're doing now. And the Sangster International Airport can do between 5 and 6 million a year. Well, sorry, that's what they're doing now. But they plan to expand that airport to accommodate 15 million passengers a year. And they anticipate the 15 million at the Montego Bay Airport plus the million at the Negril Airport. So they see a lot of growth for the tourism industry in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the latest on this. Jamaica's tourism sector continues to drive large-scale infrastructure investment, with aviation playing a central role in meeting the island's growth targets. One of the most notable new projects is a planned airport at Little London near Negril, which is being positioned as a major gateway for the island's western corridor. According to Airports Authority of Jamaica President, the facility will be capable of accommodating larger aircraft, including Boeing 737s, a critical step in supporting direct, medium-haul international traffic to the resort town of Negril and its surrounding areas. The vision for this airport is directly tied to the anticipated expansion of hotel rooms from Trelawney through Westmoreland, where several new luxury resorts, all-inclusive developments, and boutique properties are either in planning or under construction. Negril, long celebrated for its pristine beaches and vibrant culture, has often been constrained by its limited connectivity. Most visitors currently fly into Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, requiring transfers of 90 minutes or more to reach Negril. The new facility at Little London aims to reduce this inconvenience, providing direct access and thereby making the destination more competitive in the global tourism marketplace. The president of the airport authority outlined a traffic forecast of 1 million passengers within the first 10 years of operation, based on conservative estimates. This projection reflects not only the current visitor demand but also the rapid hotel expansion expected across western Jamaica. The development of this airport is therefore not just about creating a transport hub, but about building the infrastructure backbone needed to sustain and grow tourism revenues in line with national economic goals. While the project remains in its early master planning and business planning phases, the estimated timeline of 5 to 7 years before the first aircraft lands demonstrates both the ambition and complexity of the undertaking. Greenfield airport developments require careful environmental, social, and economic assessments, alongside large-scale financing and international partnerships. If executed properly, the Negril Airport could become one of the most transformative infrastructure projects in Jamaica's modern tourism history. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.